Okay, so welcome to day 4 of your training. So what we're going to do today is show you how to get your safe list and mailers bookmarked and into folders. And you can also do this with your traffic exchanges. This makes it a lot easier, and then I'm going to show you what to do when you're going to mail out. Alright, so let's get right into it. So I'm just going to use this one as an example. So I'd come over here and I click on this to bookmark it. I'm going to go over to edit. Okay. So I already have it. This is an example. I'm going to want to create a new folder. And then I would put mailers in there. And then I just hit save. So now my folder is created. Now, every one of your safe list and mailers do the same thing. Just bookmark it, but it makes it a lot easier. Once I already got the folder created, all I would do is go here, and you could sort through whichever ones you're creating, but go to the one that says mailers, and then just click done, and it'll put it right into your folder. Okay. So now the next thing I'm going to show you is actually what I do to send these mailings out. So go over to Google here, go down. Alright, here's some of the folders I created. So I would go over to mailers, I would right click and hit open all 63. Okay, and then here's what's going to happen. They're all going to open up in one screen. So what I'll do is I'll go over here starting with this one. I'm going to log in. This thing runs a lot slower when I'm doing this with this video running, so it'll actually move faster for you when you're in real time. Alright, so I'm going to get that. I'm going to log into this one. Log into this one. I'm going to pull a bunch of these up at one time. I'm going to show you how to do this a lot faster. Use this, well, it doesn't really matter. Let's see, remember login. Then. Okay.
How many sites do you find yourself joining?
I'm just going to pull a bunch of these up here. Start to get them ready.
Hey, this is Jerry Dimitri. Welcome back to Mr. Safe List. Today we have a...
Hey, Jerry. Alright. It's a good deal right there, actually.
A mailer and traffic exchange that builds your list in the most popular autoresponders without
just
any
examples.
setup. Yes, that is the power of 100% traffic. Now that it is part of the Your Viral network of sites, we've added over 100,000 subscribers.
Okay, let's see. I can't do this one. This one's, you guys are going to see if I type my password in here. Well, actually, maybe not. Okay. they always want to, go over their offers here, so you got to get through all this first before you can start to send your mail out. Okay, let's see what else we got here. So, alright, let's see here. Right. But here's what I'm going to do. Just want to show you. Okay, let's see. He's hitting these already here.
Hey, folks.
Almost there, almost there. How many got open here? Alright. So here's what I'm going to do. We've got a certain amount of them open, so I'm going to get started. Go over here real quick. Pull up some add, copy, and email swipes. You guys are going to have this too. We didn't get here yet, but you're going to have all these here. So just going to copy and paste one of these headlines. So fire your boss in 8 weeks. Let's just take this one here. Copy it. Go all the way back over. Paste that in here. Go back over. Oops. And then I'm going to get a body for the email. Take this one right here. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to paste it in here. And then I'm going to go and get a link here real quick. Okay, here's a link. I'm going to copy this. But you guys have all this too with your tracker. This is what you want to use through Leadsleep. Go over to here. And I'm going to paste this in here. Alright, so then I'll go back over to here. Submit my ad here. This was already saved here. So let me get that first. Go back over to here. Copy it from here. Oops. Paste it in here. The subject line. Paste it in here. Go here. Send an email. Same thing. It's already, that was already copied because I just copied that. So then I'll just go over to here. Grab this. Now in real time, if I was actually going to send these out and use credits and send these out, I would have hit send. I would have submitted this and went out. This, the first one that I use, I always keep up because I'm going to keep copying and pasting off of that as I keep sending others out. So I'd go here. I would have pasted this in. Get your credit amount that you want. And then I would send this out. So these two would already be down. I'd be coming back over here and getting the same ad copy from here, putting it in here. Then I'd send that out. I'd go over here, do the same thing. So you just keep going on. But as I start to fill these up, then I want to start opening more because it takes a little while to get into these because they go through some of their offers and stuff. So once I start to get through 5, 6, 7 of them, I'll start opening, getting ready for the other ones to start going. So it'll probably take you, I don't know, maybe an hour. But you're sending out all this at one time. And I'm telling you, if you do it like this, the next, you start to see results the same day, but the next day they come through. All week long, you're going to see, people joining your program. And this is the process that you have to keep following. So, now the same way that I did this, if you bookmark all your safe listed mailers, you can do that the same thing with your traffic exchanges. Just go over into your menu. It's in a folder. Open them all up at the same time, and then you can start logging in and start getting your credits. Okay? So that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to show you that, and that's one of the easiest ways that I know how to do it. If you have a better way, then that's great, but some people don't. All I can tell you is this is what I'm using. It's working, so it's a lot faster to pull all these up at once for me, and I just go through the list, get them all ready, and send them out, and they're pretty much all going out. One day I'm sending out 50, 60 mails. That's how I do it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.